Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mona. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make loaded chicken nachos. I'm using pre-cooked chicken from Walmart, as well as some Colby Jack cheese. I'm also using a green and red bell pepper, as well as some black beans. The next ingredient I'll be using is some whole kernel corn, as well as tortilla chips. I'm also going to be using some fresh cilantro. The dried kind is also fine. I'll also be using some feta cheese, as well as some sour cream. I'm going to preheat my oven to 400 degrees. Next, I'm going to start on my prep work. Now, this chicken was a little bit chunky, and I prefer it to be smaller, so I'm just going to chop that up a bit. Now, you can use whatever kind of chicken you prefer. It can be leftover shredded chicken, grilled chicken, chicken fingers, just whatever type of chicken you have on hand will be great for this recipe. And I will include the recipe in the description box below. Next, I'll be chopping up my bell peppers and onion. I'm also going to go ahead and shred my cheese and chop my cilantro for later. While I was prepping, I did go ahead and drain and rinse my black beans and corn. But now that the prep work is over, we can get to the fun part. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil to a pan on medium heat. And then I'm going to add my peppers and onions, and I'm going to saute them for about 5 to 6 minutes. Next, I'm lining my skillet with parchment paper. I'm going to start assembling the dish by adding tortilla chips on the bottom. And if you make this dish, you can add as little or as many tortillas as you like. The next thing I'm going to do is start layering on the peppers and onions, the corn, black beans, and chicken in no particular order. I'm just layering it all on top of the tortillas. Now I'm going to add a nice layer of Colby Jack cheese. I'm going to cover my pan with foil and bake in the oven for about 10 to 20 minutes or until the cheese is all melted. Once my timer went off, I removed my nachos from the oven. and they already look so yummy. I'm going to garnish with some feta cheese and fresh cilantro. And last but not least, I'm adding some extra tortilla chips for dipping. I really hope you guys try this recipe. It is a fun and easy dinner, and it's a great way to use up some leftover chicken. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Happy cooking!